Okay, we're back to our carburetor. So this venturi looks fine. I don't see anything wrong with it. It's not plugged. I don't know why it's got this hole over here though. Look at that.
That hole?
Look at that mark there. Looks like a hole. More junk stuff coming in to work on. Yeah, I think he wants me to work on wheels now. Look at that. We're not taking pictures of you. We're taking your junk. Scooby, go bite him.
That sounded really wrong.
Okay, that's not even your carburetor. This is your carburetor. This one probably worked just fine. Now, why's it got a hole off the side? Okay, that would be a hole right here. Such a big vent hole.
That one has it too. But why is the cast different?
Because it's casted differently.
Oh.
Different years.
Okay.
They do differences over the years.
Just for style?
See, this is probably an M74. This is an M74B.
Oh.
This is probably for like 6 months they made that, or a year maybe. Okay, so that is the air coming in there. But see, you got a lot of carbon all through here.
Well, it was running so rich just to get it to run.
But it has a hole. But I don't see why it wouldn't be sucking through the damn orifices into it. I'm assuming our jets go through.
What about this thing we couldn't unscrew before?
That's for the idle circuit.
And it was idling great.
The idle's working fine. This is all idle circuit all through here. Idle is fine. The main was the problem. So where's the, this isn't a main jet, that's a piece of crap guide. That goes over there with the junk glass parts over there. Where's your nozzle? There it is. Spring.
We worked on that nozzle twice.
Yeah, I know, but they're pretty much infallible how they work. So I don't understand why it's not sucking air up through it. I've had these issues before.
You have?
Nope.
Oh.
It's going to suck air through the, it should be sucking like crazy because this comes up through here. It's an unrestricted orifice. It's got a spring around it right here, and that's it. And you got this in the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
So unless this thing was bottomed out completely against that ceiling, which it wasn't, there's a spring in there. Mm-hmm. The fuel should be able to get up through all these orifices somehow. It comes in through the main jet here. And I'm pretty sure that cavity goes all the way through.
And we can blow air through it.
So how do they drill that into there? I'm not sure how this it gets casted up under through here. I'm guessing they drilled it through here. One of these two here goes all the way over to here to make the drill all the way through.
I think it is this one too, because there isn't that much material on that side.
There's a hole.
Yep.
It's a big asshole. I don't see any way in the world that'll be plugged up. Again.
Scooby's butt?
Scooby's butt is in the way.
Look at that butt. You don't even care.
I don't care. Scooby's gonna do what he wants to do. He don't give a squat about anybody. He doesn't like when I step on his paws though, but other than that he don't care. I can't feel the air coming through that.
You can't?
No. This is not exactly a small orifice. I'm blowing through, but something over there. It's coming out the bottom right here, you can feel it.
Yeah, I hear it.
So we know that's open.
Scooby don't like that either.
I don't. You think that hole goes through?
Yeah.
Oh. Pretty sure?
It looked like it.
Wasn't plugged? Alright.
Seems like I've got the stuff that you're like, I've never seen this issue before.
You do a lot of weird stuff in your own. How the throttle cable worked, the repair work.
It works great. And that little clip that you gave me, the rubber thing, that works great so far.
You got a throttle actually works now?
Yeah.
Good.
Pretty good.
Carburetor and throttle, everything works.
Yeah, it's no longer make-believe, but now my snoot broke.
Well, I have no control over a snoot. That's in the oil system.
Yeah.
What? Looks like a rim.
Yeah, it's yours.
Black one.
Right.
Oh, look at that.
And it's shiny.
It still looks like crap too, but better than
I mean,
Still better than that I had.
Yeah.
Not supposed to be wrinkle in there.
well, I mean,
That's gloss
if,
black.
yeah,
Sure, it's dirty.
well, it is dirty. I didn't wipe it down with wax or anything.
Yeah, but it should be gloss black. Should be shiny.
It is shiny. What are you talking about? It's not paint.
Bad light.
Yeah, I would go with bad lighting. Because outside it looks really good.
Bad rim too. It's still a little rusty.
Well, you know.
Alright.
I mean, they can't rebuild all the pits, you know. They just take all the rust
Hey,
off.
it cost extra for those pits to get those put in there.
Yeah, I mean, that took years.
That's right. Think of the fees that cost.
Yeah.
I have no idea why it's not working because I don't see anything. It's a pretty simple system. It pretty much sucks through the orifices through here and fuel comes out. So,
Yeah. It's one of the simpler carbs out there.
so
Is there a way to test for cracks in the body?
That's cool. Got no food for you, buddy.
you have to plug up everything and vacuum test or pressure test.
Oh, that's a lot of work.
Yeah, I'm not sure you do all that. I have had ones that come in with a porosity up under here and stuff like that. Where they didn't run that.
cracked?
Had porosity. I have also had ones that were broken from maybe falling down. I've had that issue too, and a couple. Mainly it's porosity issues, but I see nothing that was not correct about that.
So weird.
I'm not sure how it draws. Does it get all its fuel right out of the bottom through the jet? You would think it would.
That's the only place the fuel could come from.
I'm trying to think how it does on a regular carburetor. We got obviously has the air on the side of it.
Yep.
The air is right there.
Yep.
It definitely was going through because it left a nice big mark.
Yep.
This isn't plugged up.
Nope. But it is very black.
That's because it's backfiring a lot. That goes against that, which is normal. So I'm trying to think of anything that's different than this carburetor body, or any other carburetor body. So we clean out these two, so I know they're clean.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It should work.
But it does not.
And you had the same problem when we had this extra hole over here, which is
Yeah.
twice as much fuel volume.
Yeah, same problem.
Something is internally not letting fuel get to the main circuit. I have no idea what it would be, because it sucks right through that hole, and we know there's a hole through that.
Oh yeah.
Big ass hole. All these holes are opened up, so. Alright, I guess we'll just swap out the body and see if it runs with this body.
You don't want to... You want to take that one off right now?
Wasn't the one on the bike that runs?
Mm-hmm.
It's up to you if you want to do that.
I'd rather leave the one on there that runs and give you all my parts, and if you need some cash...
No, I don't think we're going to do that.
Well, I'll give you cash or whatever, but...
No, you want my expensive ass used piece of shit carburetor that runs good.
I don't care. I just...
Whereas we just put all your crap on this and you put it back on the bike and see if it runs good.
We could do that. I'm just nervous because I rode here and I don't have a way of getting home.
Well, we didn't say we'd do it today. So we can work on this later. I don't know, do you ride here?
I did.
You got proof?
Yeah, there's oil under the bike.
You gotta show the people.
Scooby, move.
I saw a little bit of the Valdez.
All those people can go dream about riding
That's
that
right,
blue
huh?
pile now.
Go get him.
I read those comments. Big blue pile.
You read some of those comments about this bike?
Those mean internet keyboard warriors.
They're mean?
They will make to have a job too.
Yeah,
they will make you mad.
Look at that nice new
In fact, they
carburetor.
didn't like my hair. Like they couldn't
like
find
your
anything
hair.
wrong with anything else. So they went after my
See,
hair.
we put a real clamp on the
That's how much time
cable. And we actually put a cable that fits up in here.
Yeah,
Oh, look at that. Look at that. It even, oh,
Turn. Jeez.
Yeah,
does it get full throttle?
yeah.
See, now you don't have cruise control.
But this thing is stuck now. Is it?
You stuck something?
Oh no, it's not stuck.
It's not stuck.
It's fully closed.
It's fully closed.
Is that your pick out here?
Oh, I was looking for that. It was on this side.
It rolled away.
Yeah.
Scooby's trying to get it.
But see my snoot? See here? It broke.
Oh, that ain't gonna fall out.
But how am I gonna get oil?
It's not.
It's not gonna get oil.
It's gonna blow through the hole.
So you.
Open or close?
Well, I'm running it open until I can. I was trying to put this.
He likes living dangerously.
No, I have a cover, but I have the other piece in my pocket. I can't get it out. It's too deep.
Oh, so that's a dry clutch.
But there's another piece that drips down, and I don't have the hardware for it.
All right. Why don't you start this thing up, see if it runs?
Prove it to the internet.
Does this have a starter or a kick?
So what do you do down
It's right
here? You
here.
actually got a cable you're trying to hook up?
I just left it there.
You know the cable's supposed to go from this other direction, don't you?
Oh well. It probably needs some gas now because it's been sitting for a while.
Scooby's making a run for it. The bike falling over yet?
No.
Oh, that loosened up, I see. Look at that, Scooby. What's that? What? What's Scooby want? Boy. Like I'm gonna protect him. Fire in the hole. Runs good. Scooby wants me. Scooby's coming up for help.
Oh, poor Scooby. It's okay, buddy.
He's your real apprentice. You wanted to watch.
Yeah.
Spring makes it really hard to get out. You can help, Scooby? How come it's not dying?
Huh?
How come it doesn't die?
I don't know.
How's that, Scooby? Scooby don't like that noise.
It drives like a big old truck and it stops like a boat.
Alright, let it run. I lean it out a little bit.
Want me to turn it off?
Yeah.
Too much noise.
Scooby don't like all the noises.
Oh.
Yeah. Scooby don't like that.
So I should just leave this guy alone and just let it puke everywhere, huh?
Well, you got to fix it, but you have to pull the primer to get it out.
Yeah.
Then weld the stud on the inside where it belongs.
Yeah, like the last one that I had.
Yeah, like they welded. Yeah, it needs to be welded better.
Yeah.
There's no tensioner for the primary chain on these bikes?
No.
Nope.
Just the transmission.
Yep.
All right. Well, that seems to be working good now.
So you're
So
not.
you might have to play with the mixture a little bit, but I think it's close.
I had to adjust
I
it
leaned
while I was riding because it was idling a little too fast in the heat. I was riding in East County earlier today,
Yeah.
so I lowered it from what it was. So
We're
you
gonna-
leaned it out even more, huh?
I leaned it out more.
Oh, okay.
You'll lean it out until it starts to die, and you bring it back up for highest RPM.
Okay.
But you should adjust the idle speed so it runs where it's supposed to be. Then you adjust it. We're trying to hold it in a certain spot and adjust it there, a little bit harder to do. But if anything, it should lean out after it warms up further.
It does. It idles faster once I get real hot. I've been riding for like 20 minutes.
Yeah, but the mixture will lean out too, so.
Okay.
For the heat. All right, we're good on this.
What's this?